Have you ever wondered how banking works online? Maybe you use a service that feels sleek and modern, a far cry from the traditional bank branches of yesteryear. Well, today we're diving into the story of one such online bank, Comdirect. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, there's a burning question we need to answer first: who actually owns Comdirect? From humble beginnings to public success. The story starts back in 1994. Commerzbank, a major German financial institution, decided to take a leap into the exciting world of online banking. They saw the potential for a new kind of banking experience, one that was convenient, accessible, and catered to a tech-savvy generation. Thus, Comdirect was born. Comdirect quickly gained traction, offering a user-friendly platform and competitive rates. It became a popular choice for those who wanted to ditch the traditional banking model and manage their finances online. By the year 2000, Comdirect felt confident enough to spread its wings and take the big step of going public. This move solidified its position as a major player in the German online banking scene. A shift in the landscape. Fast forward a couple of decades, and the landscape of online banking had evolved significantly. New fintech startups were emerging, offering innovative features and putting pressure on established players like Comdirect. While Comdirect remained a well-respected brand, questions started swirling about its future. Commerzbank, its original parent company, was also facing its own set of challenges. The economic climate had shifted, and consolidation within the financial sector seemed inevitable. It was in this context that a significant shift took place in 2020. Merger and integration. Commerzbank made a bold move. They decided to fully acquire Comdirect. This wasn't just a simple takeover, it marked the end of Comdirect's independence as a publicly traded company. The merger process culminated in November 2020, with Comdirect becoming fully integrated into the Commerzbank fold. Impact and the future. This merger had significant implications. While some saw it as a strategic move for Commerzbank to strengthen its online presence, others questioned the potential impact on Comdirect's brand identity and customer experience. Would the merger lead to a loss of the innovative spirit that had made Comdirect so successful in the first place? The integration process has been ongoing, and it's still too early to say definitively what the long-term effects will be. However, Commerzbank has assured customers that both brands will continue to operate for the foreseeable future. The evolving landscape of online banking. The story of Comdirect is a fascinating one, reflecting the ever-changing landscape of online banking. It highlights the importance of innovation and adaptation in a competitive environment. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more disruption in the financial sector. New players will emerge, and existing institutions will need to find ways to stay ahead of the curve. So, there you have it. The answer to the question of who owns Comdirect is clear: Commerzbank. But the story doesn't end there. The future of Comdirect, and online banking as a whole, remains to be written. With constant innovation and a focus on customer experience, online banking has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. Call to action. What are your thoughts on the future of online banking? Are you a Comdirect customer? What are your hopes for the brand under Commerzbank's ownership? Let us know in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.